Okay, Agatha All Along is finished. I know I'm a little bit late. It was good. However, I think there's some plot holes that we have to discuss. One and two, it lost me a little bit in the middle. I'll be honest. I liked the beginning. I thought it started really strong, especially the first three episodes. I thought I was in for a treat. It lost me after that. Picked me back up in the end. I enjoyed the ending. I really did. But I don't know what it is. The middle just wasn't doing it for me. Boom. Outside of that, one question I really, really, really need to know the answer to is why Agatha would tell Lilia about the has to be blasted with powers to get powers thing. It doesn't make sense for her to tell Lydia that. It just literally makes zero sense and actually kind of destroyed the whole thing because they would have blasted her with their powers had she not told her that. And it just doesn't make any sense. Also, I know Lilia's powers aren't perfect, but they're enough to know when bad things are going to happen. However, she still wrote down that list to give to Agatha for her to go and then get all of those witches murdered. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I'm sorry. That being said, one thing that people are complaining about that I think does make sense is why would Agatha go on the road if she knows it's fake? Because if she knows it's fake, then she won't get her powers back. But the thing about that is that's the full circle. That's what I liked about Agatha All Along. It's full circle, isn't it? It's almost like WandaVision all over again. Because a really powerful reality warping witch took her powers away. So why can't a really powerful reality warping witch give them back? You know, especially if they believe that what is happening is what's happening. It's kind of it's basically WandaVision all over again. So a reality warping witch has changed reality all around everybody. Agatha's the only one that knows that it's fake, and she's the one that's manipulating everything, which isn't that strange that they called it Agatha All Along, and it's still and they still tricked me. I don't know about anyone else, but I was still like, oh my god, it was Agatha All Along again. Even though that's what the show was called, I was still bamboozled. Good show, lost me in the middle. Good show. I don't like the plot holes, but it does make sense that it would be a full circle. Okay, the same style of witch took them away. This same style of witch can give them back. That's my 2 pence. I would give it like a 7. Like it's real there in the mid range for me, but it was a good series. I loved the Ballad of the Witches Road and a few other things about it that were great. Yeah, on to the next. 2 reviews. Give me a follow.